Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA C21 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay, and if you don't have it installed, go to Play Store, search for Google Pay, download this app, now open it, select Account, and now enter View Wallet. From the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, manage your passes, add new passes to your account, and you can go to menu. In menu, you can manage your Google accounts, check all wallet tips, pay contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, and manage all of your passwords saved to your Google account. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.